Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Akhilan from AkhilanTech. Guys, finally, after a long time, Apple has launched their Apple new iPhone. This event was held yesterday night at 10:30 p.m. according to the Indian time. So watch the video till the end because I'm going to tell you actually what are the gadgets that Apple has launched in this event. So let's get started. In the yesterday's Apple event, Apple had launched 4 new iPhones. One is the iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And also including these iPhones, Apple had also launched their new HomePod Mini. So let's get into detail about each and every gadget that Apple has launched in the event. First of all, the Apple had started their event with the HomePod Mini. This HomePod Mini isn't just a downgraded version of the Apple HomePod. This HomePod Mini is just like an Amazon Echo Dot. In this HomePod Mini, Apple had introduced a new feature called the computational audio, where all the audio before it's sent out will be analyzed, and depending on your room environment, it will be processed in a way to deliver the most booming sound possible. This HomePod Mini is priced at 9,990 rupees according to the Indian prices. Now, after the launching of the Apple HomePod Mini, Apple had unveiled their new 4 iPhones. First, let us talk about the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12. The iPhone 12 mini has an 5.4-inch display and the iPhone 12 has an 6.10-inch display. These both displays are OLED HDR support displays. These two iPhones comes in the 3 variants. One is the 64GB variant, 128GB variant and the 256GB variant. The iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 mini gets 5 colors. One is the white, red, black, mild green and the navy blue. These two new iPhones supports IP68 water resistant and it is powered by the latest Apple A14 Bionic chip. Out of the box, these iPhones comes with the iOS 14 operating system, and if you go into the camera side of this new iPhone, rear it has a dual camera setup. One is a 12 megapixel camera and another one is also 12 megapixel camera. And front it has a single camera setup which is a 12 megapixel sensor. This new iPhone supports the wireless charging up to 15 watt, which is called as the MagSafe. Including this new iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 mini, Apple has also launched their iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which are the highlights of this show. These two new iPhone 12 Pro models comes in the 3 variants. One is the 128GB variant, 256GB variant and the 512GB variant. And these support IP68 water resistant and it is powered by the latest Apple A14 Bionic chip. And the iPhone 12 Pro has an 6.1-inch display and the iPhone 12 Pro Max has an 6.7-inch display, and both these iPhones have Super Retina XDR OLED display. If you go into camera segment of this new iPhone 12 Pro models, rear it has a triple camera setup. One is a 12 megapixel sensor, 12 megapixel sensor and another also 12 megapixel sensor, which is the ultra wide, wide angle and the telephoto lens respectively. And front it has around 12 megapixel camera. And these two new iPhones also support the 15 watt wireless charging. And these two Pro model iPhones comes in the 4 colors. One is the silver color, graphite color, Pacific blue and the gold color. Okay, these are the specifications of the new iPhones. Let's get into the price segment of these new iPhones, because pricing is the main important thing, because most of the Indians don't buy because the iPhones will be very costly. And this time also Apple had done the same thing. When we compare to a US price, Apple consider $1 as the 100 rupees in India, whereas in reality it is not the case. $1 is equal to only 70 rupees or maximum of 80 rupees, but Apple consider it as 100 rupees per dollar. Let's start with the iPhone 12 mini price. The base variant for this iPhone 12 mini is priced at 69,900 rupees for the 64GB variant, and the 128GB variant is priced around 74,900 rupees, and the 256GB variant is priced around 84,900 rupees. And let's get into iPhone 12 pricing segment. The iPhone 12 on the other hand is priced around 79,900 rupees for the base variant and 84,900 rupees for the 128GB variant, and for the 256GB variant it is priced around 94,900 rupees. However, the iPhone 12 Pro's base variant is starting at 1,19,900 rupees for the base variant, and the 128GB variant is priced around 1,29,900 rupees, and the 256GB variant is priced around 1,49,000 rupees. The iPhone 12 Pro Max, the higher variant, starts at 1,29,900 rupees for the 128GB variant, and the 256GB variant is priced around 1,39,900 rupees, and the highest 512GB variant is priced around 1,59,900 rupees. But most of the people waited for the 128 screen refresh rate support in the new iPhones. But sadly, the Apple did not introduce their 128 screen refresh rate support in the new iPhone models. Maybe next year in the iPhone 13 series lineup, maybe we'll get the 128 screen refresh rate support. And also, as per the rumors, the new iPhones will not be coming with the charger included in the box. If you want to charge your mobile phone, you have to buy the charger separately from the Apple website, or you can use any third-party chargers. And one of the main thing I liked in this new iPhones is that all 4 new iPhones comes with the 5G support. Yes, this 5G will be integrated into the new 4 iPhones. But unfortunately, in India, the 5G network is still not available. 5G variants will be only available in the US. But in India, the 5G variants may not be sold. But Apple is not providing the default power brick in their box. So this is one of the sad news from the Apple, because we are paying around 70,000 rupees, but still we are not getting the power brick included in the box. That means you have to buy it separately. And that's all from this video. If you find this video informative, drop us a like down below and share this video. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you will be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. And also, don't forget to watch this video out there, because it will be way more interesting. And that's it for me today, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.